So first rule is group rule, second is distance, and third is color. There's a fourth rule. And fourth rule is what? Fourth rule is what? Anybody? क्लासेस भी जाके आए बताइए.
Rigidity.
Rigidity, rule of rigidity says two rigid helping materials cannot be tied with each other to increase the length. You can tie for any other purpose, but not to increase the length. The fifth rule is rule of infinity. The start and the finish line start from here and finish here, but actually they go to. That means smart like you can't go from the side. भैया ये तो खत्म हो गया, मैं साइड से चला जाऊंगा. You have to cross. Now, if you break the rule, any member who breaks the rule must come back to the original position from where he started. Original means the preceding position. Immediately preceding position. Suppose you go from A to B, no rule broken, no problem. But you go from B to C, rule is broken. Where should you come back to? B. And not to? Any member. That means living or non living. So these are the rules. अब ये रूल ध्यान में आप रखेंगे तो आपको तभी आप काम कर पाएंगे. ये समझ में ही नहीं आएगा जिसको, वो क्या सोल्यूशन ला सकता है. So that means it is so important to understand this. अब आधे आप अगर भूल जाएंगे, बहुत सारे लोगों को पता नहीं चलता क्या रूल है, और फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगा.